With just 100,000 views, I generated almost $400 from a single video. And not only me, look at this channel named BB Amazing Skills. With just 53 videos, this channel gained more than 50,000 subscribers and generated over 11 million views. When I watched their videos, I noticed that each video is getting massive views, and I was shocked when I checked their earnings. I found that this channel made almost $7,000 this month from AdSense revenue alone, and what they do is very simple. They use AI to generate cinematic-style AI movies. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these types of cinematic AI movies for free using AI. You will find this prompt in the description down below. Here, you will get one detailed prompt that is extremely helpful, so you can easily start working in this niche. Simply copy the entire prompt from there, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it. After that, just click Next. This prompt contains everything you need to create cinematic AI movies. Once you proceed, ChatGPT will provide you with a list of genres, like sci-fi, thriller, and more. Not only that, below it, ChatGPT also suggests movie names, so you can clearly understand what type of movies they are referring to, such as drama, adventure, and other genres. In total, it generated 5 different genres, and from those, I personally like the epic adventure genre. So what you need to do next is simply copy that genre and paste it back into ChatGPT, then hit Next again. Now ChatGPT will start generating scene ideas. Since this is just a tutorial, it randomly selects one movie from your chosen genre, and then provides 5 detailed image prompts. Each image prompt is filled with useful information. For example, it already tells you whether you need a reference image while generating visuals. Like here, it clearly says no reference image is required. It also provides a character prompt, and I will show you how to use that. First, simply copy the first image prompt. Then head over to Higgsfield AI. Here, you will see the Cinema Studio 2.0 model, which was recently released by Higgsfield. I will leave the link in the description so you can access it easily. Now click on it and make sure the image option is selected. Paste your copied prompt into the prompt box. Below, you will notice an add option. Click on it. Here, you can paste your character prompt, upload a character image, and even name the character so you can reuse it easily later. But for now, I will keep things simple. Next, you can increase the number of images per generation. I usually keep it at 4 images. After that, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the cinematic ratio, and select your preferred grid. I choose 1 by 1. The most important part is selecting the camera, lens, focal length, and other cinematic settings. You will see many options here, but you don't actually need to adjust anything manually. Just go back to ChatGPT, and below each prompt you will already find all the required technical details. Which camera, which lens, and every setting you need. Simply copy those details and paste them into Higgsfield so you can generate your image accurately. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and it will start creating your cinematic images. Now, let's see how the results look. And now you can see that all 4 images are ready. Simply click on the first image and check how it looks. And honestly, the image is absolutely mind-blowing. In the same way, look at all the images one by one, and I'm sure you'll also find every single image incredible. I'm telling you, Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 is truly going to revolutionize the AI industry. Now, let's generate the second image as well. First, simply delete the current prompt from here. Then go back to ChatGPT, and here you can see Scene 2. Just copy the entire prompt from there and paste it into Cinema Studio 2.0. Next, we also need to fix the camera and lens settings according to the details provided by ChatGPT. But before doing that, ChatGPT clearly mentioned that this image requires image 1 as a reference. So, go back to Cinema Studio 2.0 and choose any one image from the 4 generated images. For example, I'm choosing this image as my reference. Simply drag and drop it into the prompt box. Now adjust the camera, lens, and other settings exactly as suggested by ChatGPT. Once everything is ready, just click Generate, and it will start creating the image for you. Within a few seconds, your image will be ready, and just look at the result. Every image is truly mind-blowing. In the same way, generate all the remaining images one by one. Here, I've already generated all the images, and now let me show you another incredible feature. Simply choose any one image. For example, I'm selecting this one. Below, you'll see an option called Angle. Click on it, and now you can change the camera angle of your image. You can rotate the image, add a tilt effect, apply zoom, and experiment with different visual perspectives. If you're unsure which angle to choose, just click on Generate from 12 best angles. This will automatically select 12 cinematic angles and generate 12 variations of the same image. Now click Generate, and within a few seconds, you'll have 12 different angle versions of the same scene. Just look at this. A single image has now been transformed into 12 cinematic perspectives. Now you can simply choose the best angle according to your preference, and once we've generated all the final images, it's finally time to convert these images into a cinematic video. And for that, simply scroll down below and go to your first generation. Select one image from here, like I'm choosing this image. Here you can see the animate option. Simply click on it, and you will see two options. First, click on Start Frame, and this image will automatically be added as the first frame in the Cinema Studio 2.0 model. Now again, click on Image, choose your second image from here, then click on Animate once more and select it as the end frame. Now your image has been successfully added as the ending frame. Next, let's adjust the settings. Here you can add a reference style image from the director panel. Then click on the movement option and choose your camera movement from the list. For example, I'm selecting the static option here. The main thing you'll notice here is the speed wave. You can choose different styles like impact, speed up, slow motion, linear, or custom. Inside custom, you can manually adjust the speed curve however you like. But for now, I'll simply keep it on auto. After that, select the duration. Here, I'm choosing a 5-second duration. Next, you can choose the shot type. You'll see options like single shot and multi-shot. I'm selecting multi-shot auto. Make sure to keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Then choose the resolution as 1080p. Now move to the genre section and select any genre you prefer, like horror, comedy, action, and more. Here, I'm choosing the action genre. After that, click on the prompt box and paste your image to video transition prompt. You can find this prompt in the description box. Now simply click on Generate, and it will start creating 4 different video variations. Within a few seconds, your videos will be ready. Let's watch how they look. And honestly, each video looks amazing. I'm sure you'll also love the results generated through Cinema Studio 2.0. Now let's generate another video. Go back to the Images section, select your second image as the first frame, then choose your third image as the end frame. Next, copy the second transition prompt and paste it into Higgsfield. Click on Generate, and it will start creating the video. In just a few seconds, your next video will be ready, and you can see how incredible it looks. In the same way, you can generate multiple video clips from your script, combine them into a full cinematic movie, and upload it to YouTube. But for that, you need to access Cinema Studio 2.0.